Comevo has a feature called Pathforks. Pathforks can be used to branch a user to a new set of sections or lessons based on how they answer a question. For example, you can ask a question about what year they are in school, and if they answer that they are a first-year student, you can branch them to view a new set of slides about the first-year experience. First, click the Add Pathfork button on the editing screen of the section where the branching will take place. Then, enter your prompt. This is an overarching question or mandate to choose an option, such as, "What year are you in school?" Once you save your prompt, it will appear in the Decision Pathfork panel, and a panel will appear below to add Pathfork options. Click Add Option to add an option. Next, add Pathforks. In the Selection or Text field, add your Pathfork option here. For this example, we can write freshman and other years in school. In the Next Path field, enter what your path will be called in reports that you download from Comevo. This can be the same as Selection or Text, or an abbreviation of the option, such as FR for freshman. In the Location field, choose the order of options in the Pathfork list. Then, click the Save button to save your Pathfork. Repeat the steps for adding a Pathfork until all Pathfork options have been added. Add pages to each Pathfork by selecting the Pathfork under Pathfork Options and clicking Manage Option Path. Each Pathfork will behave just like a section. You can even add quizzes within Pathforks. Notice how the Pathforks appear on the left side of the screen in the Pages for Section section as they are added to this module. When the user completes a Pathfork, they will automatically be guided into the next section to continue the orientation.